Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a T-shape chart in gold. So let's start it. At first, open your docs file. Firstly, create T-shape is going to the insert menu option and click for the table option. Then create a table. Install a table is second row is align. Now select your table and go into the border rotate option and click for the 4.5 pixel. Now since your color is going to the border color option, then click for the initials color. It's okay. Now select your first row and click for the mouse right button option. Now click for the mark cell option. Now write your text. And going to the align center option and click for the center align option. Then send column is text. Now select your text and going to the align option and click for the align center align option. Now click for the font size. Then text is send column. Australia. And Sri Lanka. And select text and click for the align option and click for the center align option. Now font size. This T-shape is first border and click for the border color option and click for the white color. Now click for the second and same process. That's okay. Then you show the character T-shape chart is in gold looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.